Hello, welcome to No Fear Cooking. I'm Magda. Nathaniel is filming and he was the sous chef. Of course, is the easiest recipe, so he didn't have to do too much. We did wonderful recipes, no fear, appetizer, wonderful soups, dinners, everything. So today we are doing apples that we are baked in the air fryer. And I'm going to have a secret. We're going to do a little base for these apples before we put them in the air fryer. It's the most unique, perfect dinner, appetizer, unique and good dessert. Anybody can do it in the last minute. You can just have the apples and the rest is coming easy. We always have all these ingredients in the house. So let's go through the steps. I'm having pink lady's apple today. Sometimes I like to do them with the Fuji. These are the pink ones here. Or you can do Fuji, you can do other ones. Babette, which one would you like? You are the gourmet baby. You like the apples? Let's go with the apples to cook them. So we have the 4 apples we're going to do. My air fryer can hold 4. So I have 1 already core, 2, 3 already core. I'm going to do 1 more for coring. Oh, which one is that? That's the one here. I have it ready. This is a very easy, again, no fear recipe. If you have a core, it's easier to go to clean the middle, and it's good. All done. Yay! I'm going to put this on the side. And with this one, I went all the way through. This one, it's also, and I'm going to tell you, I'm going to make a base that everything we put in the apple is going to stay there. And the base is going to be just a very nice, thick circle. Oh, part of the apples. 3. And I'll cut 1 more from here. All right, what should we stuff the apples with? I have a tablespoon of brown sugar in here. Oopsie, it got stuck while I was waiting to start. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. You may put as much as you want to or a little bit you like to. Everybody has their own favor about cinnamon. So there it is. We're going to mix it nice and it's ready to go into the apple. So let's see. Let's go put the base here. Put the base and let's put the apples in. The brown sugar. Very no time consuming for this wonderful dessert. And everybody likes apple. Everybody likes them with a little bit sweet in it. And then at the end, this is going to be a plain apple. I'm just going to put 1 very small amount of butter on it. Second one, I'm going to do the base again. Let's have the base here. And the brown sugar with the cinnamon, I have it already measured. And if you like to put a little bit of honey instead of the brown sugar, you may do that. It's fine. It's tasty. Very tasty either way. And when it's coming from the oven, it smells so good. On this one, I'm going to put a little bit walnuts. And my walnuts today that I use, I had a little bit cooked them in the oven for about an hour with a little bit sugar and brown sugar and a little bit butter. Okay, the butter, I like it to be harder. It will get softened in the oven. And the other one is going to do the same. And I'm not preheating the air fryer. I have the one with the 2 doors because I'm going to start them when I do the apples. So that will be okay. Don't need to do. Good job. On this one, I'm going to put maybe a couple golden raisins. Just a few, not too many. But if you like more, you can start the base with this. And then let's put a top with a little bit butter. Great. And 1 more. Let me start the oven right now. Let's see. So let's put the power. And I'm going to have both little homes, I call them the doors, on the same. So let's match number 2. And we are going air fryer. and I'll start at 375 for 10 minutes. And once I start them, I'm going to go 10 minutes, 375, and then 350 for the last 2 minutes. So look at this. The base is right here. Look how nice. It's going to hold everything you put inside. And I'm going to go in the corner here, right there. You can fit more, but don't need to. And then the second one with the base. You will love the base when you're going to eat it. So very easy, very no fear. I'm not going to, I'm going to put it inside nice. And let's have the other one. Have the base right here. Babette, are you going to cook too today? Yes. I hope everybody had a very nice Valentine yesterday. We did. It was nice to have the family home and celebrating each other. Lots of appreciating on each one. This one is going to be also plain. So just the butter. The sugar is going to be just enough. And look at the pretty base here. And done. How no fear it is to start these apples in the air fryer, and you will see how they look. We are going to go for 10 minutes. Timing. 10 minutes, I'm going to check them, and we'll go 10 minutes more. So I'm going to come back when the kitchen is going to smell of the apple, cinnamon, and we're going to have a great dessert. See you in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. We'll see you in 10 minutes, Babette, right? We'll come back. So 10 minutes almost are by. We are coming back to look at the apple. If you like to push this one back a little bit on the base, go and arrange it. But it's really nice color, 375. 10 minutes, we'll put it 10 more minutes, 375. If you feel more comfortable, or the apples are a little bit well done, if you see them, you may lower the temperature to 350. I'm going to leave it 375, 10 more minutes. We'll try it with the knife, and if the knife goes in just nice and easy, that will be done. It's looking nice and softer. Perfect. We'll come back in 10 minutes. These are 20 minutes altogether in the air fryer for these beautiful apples, baked apples with anything you like to. You have infinity ways to try them. So let me put them in the plate now. I'm going to, they might be hot, so I'll put a little bit glove, though it's very hard to work with a glove. I think if we are careful and take the base too, look at the pretty base. If you like to leave them just a little bit longer, if you like to have it a little bit more done, then go for it. I'll just move so I can show you the base, how good it's looking. And try with the knife. The knife goes in, very good. I don't like them really mush, but you may leave them a little bit longer. And now let's take the second one. And I'll put them in the plate here. Very nice. And I'll tell you what, we have a lot of the nice sauce that was created by the apple. So I'm going to hold it this way and put it right on the apple. Right back. I'm not going to waste it. Nope. And if you have a different little tray that might help you to catch the juice, it's probably better. But I do not have it, so I'm just going to, good job. This is done. Let me take the other two apples. Well, you got the idea how we do it, and everybody does baked apples. So just try it my way this time. You might like it. Smells so good. You smell like you're just coming from the farm with good apples and start your apples to bake. Very good, delicious dessert and healthy. And I'm going to quick get the juice from this, the sauce that was created, and put it around 20 minutes, 375. If the apples are smaller, you may go 10 minutes, 375, and the last 10 minutes, 350. That's okay. Now, I'm going to cut one apple just to show you how it's looking, and I might even try it. Let me see. Oh, look at this. And this is with the one with the golden raisins, and they got pretty good and soft. And if you like to serve them with a little bit ice cream, I think that will be okay. But it's coming very easy cutting. So I'm going to let them cool. I cannot taste them. I know how they taste because I've been doing this for many times. And again, the idea to have this nice base on it to keep everything kind of the trap inside the taste. So with this on, I'm going to say manja manja, pofta buna, enjoy it, and try my apples. Thank you for watching. Thank you for giving us a thumb up, and come back for the new recipe soon. Bye-bye.